Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix font link not found in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page speed inside and we are running analysis, and then you see media link font. Now we click on it. Now you see font not found, nothing found. Now you see second link. So again click on it. Now you see nothing found. Now back to page speed inside. So we are going to fix this. I search whole website but I cannot find this link. I also used broken link checker plugin to find out this link but nothing found because this issue caused by cache. We are using Elementor plugin. If you don't use Elementor plugin, then you can install any cache plugin and then remove your WordPress website cache and then click on analyze button in page speed insight, and after that you see your issue will be fixed. But now we are using Elementor plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see tools, so click on it, and then in general tab you see regenerate CSS and data, so click on it, and then you see sync library, so again click on it, and then scroll down, click on save changes. Now setting saved. And if you don't use Elementor plugin, then you can install any cache plugin and then remove your WordPress website cache, and after that go to page speed insight and then click on analyze, so click on it. Now you see running analysis. Now scroll down, you see ensure text remain visible. Now you see link is removed that not found in our website. Now we click on it. Now you see link is working fine. Both font link removed before was here and that font link not found in WordPress website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.